Hey guys! Whoa. Let's start this again. Hey guys, I'm Brynel and welcome to Brynel's Diaries. For today's video, I will be trying to make chocolate balloon bowl. I had seen this on the internet long time ago and I thought maybe I could make it that time, but actually I had forgot about it, and second of all I had low expectations of how will it actually turn out, and still I'm having low expectations because I don't know how will it actually turn out. But how will you exactly know when you don't try? So I thought, like, let's try it and let's hope for the best. So yeah, without wasting time and without talking more, do give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Let's start by melting the chocolate. I'm gonna be using a steaming way of melting it. So I will boil the water and then cover it, and on top of that I'm going to put another vessel, and in that I'm going to put chocolates on it. So due to the heat, the chocolate will start getting melted, so I guess that would work probably. Okay, so now I'm just opening a pack of dark chocolate and will be putting it in that vessel which I was talking about, and same thing I'm going to be putting on top of the boiling water, and hopefully it gets melted.
Scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake.
Then I'm going to stir it, and I'm going to like even break the chocolate in between, so that it starts getting melted till it forms like this consistency, and then I will be ready to dip the balloon inside it. Before that, I will be washing the balloon nicely, and once that is done, I'm going to add like the butter in the cup, actually like a, I say dabba. So I'm going to add butter over that because I'm going to be putting my balloon over there once it's dipped with chocolate, and so that it stays like well, and the butter is for like the smoothness, so it comes out easily hopefully. So yeah. I'm going to transfer all my melted chocolate into a normal bowl. And finally, the exciting part, dipping the balloon inside the chocolate. Actually, not that exciting because yeah, like I struggled. So I thought, like, I'm going to add I'm going to take an ice cream spoon, and then I will be like spreading the melted chocolate on the balloon like a cake. So yeah, hopefully that would work, I thought in my head. So yeah, I think this hopefully is coming too much, I guess. I will not say hopefully now. Now we're hoping the best. So yes.
Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Can I leave it all behind? Follow all the ladies.
So I'm done putting the chocolate on the balloon, and it looks like that. I know it's not perfect, and little bowl is looking a little teda meda, but it's okay. Like I'm only going to eat it, so yeah. Anyway, so this is how it looks like, and now it's time for just putting the chocolate in the between, and the balloon is going to sit over there. Ignore my chocolatey fingers. So now I'm going to put the chocolate balloon in the freezer, and yeah, it's too foggy, and I put in between the ice pack so it would be more cold. Okay, so finally I'm going to take out the balloon out from the freezer after waiting for 3 days. Oh my god, that's so long. This is how it looks like, nice and hard enough. I got scared at this moment when I popped the balloon. So this is a replay of me. I quickly picked up the bowl and removed the balloon pieces, and it was melting, so I immediately kept it in the freezer. The corners are not that perfect, but you know, it's still okay. So since the bowl was slightly soft from the corners, I had kept it back in the freezer once again, and full overnight I had kept it. And then next day I came back and it was hard enough, so I started filling the bowl, the inside part of the bowl, and from my reflection, yeah, you can see how concentrated I was while putting the ice cream. The chocolate sticks were a bit big, so I had to like break them apart and put one over there and like one over here so it would fit properly. And yeah, this is the result of how it actually turned out, and I seriously love it so much. Damn, like I'm impressed. So that's all for the video, guys. And yeah, I know I look very different. I wore specs. I feel like a teacher vibe. Yeah, the reviews about my chocolate balloon bowl was actually surprising for me, because I didn't expect it would turn out that like great, you know. I was happy seeing the bowl, and the most frightening part was like, would it handle my things, whatever I kept it inside, like ice cream, chocolate, choco chips, sticks, like would it handle? So I was just like very terrified, and you know, because it shouldn't leak from down. But I wanted to say, to be honest, it wouldn't be that worth it. I mean, if you're giving it to your guest, or if your special guest is coming over, or if your cousin is coming over, or if your friends is coming over, you can give them like a special kind of dessert treat. But I feel if you're making it for yourself, or like for your like brother or sister, if you want to treat them with that, it's okay. But I feel like, you know, I don't want to make this every time, because it's like lot of time consuming, lot of efforts in that. I mean, I would just directly eat a chocolate and just put it in my mouth. I wouldn't make it, but this was just trying something new, testing something new, and I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did. And don't forget to again like, share, subscribe, you know. And yeah, tell me guys, tell me in the comments whether I should wear specs and do my intro outros, or I shouldn't wear specs, you know. Comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Until then, bye.